As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There are only two things you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answers, please add them to your cheat sheet, master them, and go back 5 before continuing in the video. What is the RC for the pronoun grouping? That is that the pronoun changes from answer to answer. The pronoun changes from answer to answer. RC stands for recognized category. What 4 things do you need to consider on pronoun questions? You need to consider unclear antecedent, pronoun number agreement, pronoun contractions, and point of view. Again, it's unclear antecedent, pronoun number agreement, pronoun contractions, and point of view. The vast majority of the pronoun questions are going to be pronoun number agreement, which is what we're dealing with here. So you just want to make sure that the pronoun agrees in number with its antecedent, with whatever it is pointing towards. So you first need to find what it's pointing towards. In this case, we're talking about the festivities. And so are the festivities singular or plural? And they are plural. So we therefore can eliminate answer J. We can eliminate answer F. And then such is an adjective. It needs to have a noun after it. So that is an easy way to eliminate such if it can't tell just based off of it sounding wrong, is that such is an adjective, so it needs to have a noun after it. So for example, here it would be something like 15 days of such activities or something like that. But that's not the case. So we're left with answer J, which is the only plural answer. And so the New Year's festivities, 15 days of them were half over, and still her family had not arrived from China. So if this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining pronoun number agreement questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final pronoun number agreement question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the pronoun number agreement mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before moving on to the next category.